Well, we've got a Mitsubishi Colt in the workshop, and this morning we're going to fit a front mount intercooler where Jason, with his dodgy foot, manages to get it on the ramp. Yes, welcome back, Jason. Yes, so we're fitting a front mount intercooler, modifying the turbo outlet pipe, and then putting new clips on the bumper. And at that point, it's map time. It's go time. So we'll make some power on this morning. What? Got a dodgy window? Oh, okay. Got a dodgy window. Yeah, then it's go time, but we're going to map it. I love a 5-door Ralliart. I don't know about you guys. Let us know if you've got a 5-door Ralliart, because we don't see a lot of them, but they are my favourite. Well, let's leave Jason to that, and we'll come back and we'll take some photographs and we'll see how far he's got. Okay, so she's made it up onto the dyno, this lovely white 5-door Ralliart, and we're going for a stage 1 map, but it is custom tuning. It's all custom tuning. We've got a turbo smart reset, we've got a Jap speed, sorry, no it's not, it's an Autobahn 88 manifold. So how long this lasts we don't know, but today that's not our mandate. We're just going to map it. It's got a free flowing exhaust system, it's got a Gizfab downpipe on it, so let's see what it actually makes. So first up is the standard power run. That standard power run gives us an indication of whether it's healthy. At that point, we've got a starting figure or a base point. Then we'll install the Ecutek race ROM license onto the ECU, which gives us the ability to data log, and then we'll be doing fine tuning from that point forward. So I'm going for 200 brake horsepower and 225 foot-pound of torque. Let's see what it actually does. Well, that's the stock power run done, so it's all upwards from here. How are you, Richard? It is Monday again.
I know, it seems to come around once a week.
It's like every week.
It is every week,
It's every week. Just when you sat comfortably on your sofa on Sunday around 6 PM, you think to yourself, oh my God, it's Monday tomorrow. I don't like it. I don't know who designed that system.
I think it'd be nice to not come in on a Monday and have a Monday and a Tuesday off.
Monday and Tuesday off.
I think
Okay, I'm with you on this.
Wednesday, go in at lunch and do half a day.
Yeah.
And then obviously have 2 days to wind down for the weekend. So, like, obviously just...
So a bit of a 2.5 day week?
No, I meant, like, have 2 days off, do half a day on Wednesday, and then have Thursday, Friday off ready for the weekend, so you get ready for it.
That's half a day a week. Mate, I know we're good, but we're not that good. Right,
Maybe
so now...
that's an aim for retirement.
Yeah, maybe. You ain't retiring, mate. I'm carrying you out of here.
I'll have to work till lunch on the day of my funeral, mate.
You'll be carrying your own coffin, mate. Right, so now we're going to install the Ecutek license on the ECU, standard ECU. We flash what's called a race ROM on there, and then we can data log and stuff. But I'm calling that lunch, bro.
Oh, there's no time for that today, mate.
Oh, I'm eating, mate.
You can eat while you're working. Your lunch isn't even here, so I don't even know why we're having this conversation. We're about mapped it by the time your lunch turns up. It's coming by a donkey, innit?
Why you got upset, man?
It's coming by a carrier pigeon.
Okay, so I'm sat in the car as I have just logged on to the Ecutek website to download my licence. So we purchased a licence to put on the ECU. It updates to my dongle as a tuner. We've got our own dongles. Something that the Ecutek stuff doesn't allow for is obviously only the person with the dongle can use their licenses and things like that. And something that's important to know is that other tuners can't see the information that we're putting onto the ECU. So if another Ecutek tuner came across this car after we'd mapped it, they can't see any of our maps. They can't see our 10 years of research and development that's got into our maps. So that's why all this time and effort that we spend making these Colts as good as we do, it's all in the bank. It's our work. It's our research and development. It's all Richard's time and effort, and that's why they're so good. So yeah, so now I'm installing the Ecutek license that we've paid for onto my dongle, which will then in turn allow me to flash a race ROM onto this ECU. So there's a little bit of info for you. Right, see the position. There's another one in the bag, Richard. Another Ralliart done.
Yep.
Yep. What you got to say about it? It's Monday.
It's Monday.
A bit of a mixed match. A bit of a
mixed match. I mean, it's got a good exhaust on it. Well,
yeah.
2.5 inch dump pipe, and then 2.5 inch over the subframe, and then steps down to 2.25 custom exhaust from the look of it.
But we're still on the standard airbox. We've got an Autobahn 88 manifold, and we've got a front mount AirTech on there. So a bit of a mixed bag of modifications.
Yeah, definitely a mixed match apart, so it's not necessarily what we're doing, but I mean, it's worked and it's made power. So
yeah, it has made power for sure, man.
The Autobahn manifold won't last 5 minutes, but we already know that.
I think I could hear it destroyed itself in the video. I'm being facetious when I say that. I can hear it contracting and expanding and cracking is what I'm talking about. Like that.
But as just had an hour on the dyno and some pops and bangs, so I mean that's inevitable, isn't it, really?
Well, let's have a look at the graph. Lovely white 5-door. We don't see many 5-doors, if I'm honest, and I have got a soft spot for them. I do like them a lot. Right, let's have a look then. So as she came in, red line. As she leaves, blue line. And we have finished, as you can see, massive, dramatic gains. It's going to be like night and day driving that. He's going to love it. We finish on 211 brake horsepower with 237 foot-pound of torque. Nice and safe. Done all right. Still ticking away. But yeah, another one in the bag. So, happy. Was that you bagged your head?
No, that was my hip.
Oh, your hip was clicking.
Yeah.
Well, you're getting old now.
Your prosthetic limbs.
Oh yeah, Jason's back, everyone. Happy days. Limping around. Sir Limps a lot. If you want to tag him on Facebook.
What's his new Instagram name?
Hashtag Sir Limps a lot.
Yeah.
Bless his little heart. But yes, thanks for watching.
You did chop it off for him.
We did, yeah, because we can make, stuff out of metal.
I was wondering how long it takes to chop a limb off with an air saw. Ray wasn't so keen on the idea.
I think literally seconds through the bone.
Yeah, bone would take a bit, wouldn't it? The flesh would go through.
Oh yeah, that's what I meant. Yeah, the flesh, the tendons with an air saw, probably very, very quickly.
Bone would be a bit more hard work. Might have to chop that.
Yeah, but you just go at the knee. That's horrible.
I think he wants to learn that I lose the whole leg.
That's a horrible thought,
Just
isn't it?
from the ankle.
Oof. Well,
We'll make him a wooden leg.
A wooden leg.
Foot. Yeah, a wooden foot and ankle.
Yeah.
Yeah. Make it out of some wood.
Just talk about your poorly foot. Do you want to show everybody at home how? Look, he's Sir Limps a lot. Look, he's leaning. He's got the weight off it. What do you know about football?
No, I'm too fat for it.
Too old to play football in the dark.
Yeah, too old and too fat.
Oh dear. Well, guys, thanks for watching the video. Some of it's been a bit of chit chat nonsense, but that's still clicking away. That's still clicking away. The manifold, because it's thin metal, Jason. I can hear it because it's heated up. Now it's contracting back down again. It's clicking its head off, like it's glass shattering. Good quality Autobahn 88 Taiwanese metal. Love it. Right, yes, as I was saying, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Will indeed.
Yeah. Jason's not going to injure himself, so he'll be on the next one as well. Goodbye.
Before, and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.